Alright, so this is my review on, or my review and showcase of the 1974 Datsun Truck SEMA Exclusive Chase. It's one of 300 pieces. It's made by M2. I really like this one because it's got like really nice blue chrome and stuff. It says SEMA on the back window there. You'll see it when I get it out. But yeah. There's the SEMA on the back window. Now this truck, I traded a 64 Chevelle Super from the Q case of 2020 for it, which is a good trade because that's worth like 30 bucks I think, and this one's worth like 40 to 50. We're also going to open this one up in a little bit. Very pretty. I like the blue chrome on this. Let's see if I can, there we go. Blue interior, blue wheels, blue grille. Let's see if the engine is blue. I just got my Carney case up, so, Carney case, so I'm gonna put this in there with my other cars that are nice, like Chases and stuff. It's got the red and silver engine. I don't know if you can see that, but very nice. Alright, I'm gonna unscrew this real quick. And here it is. Wheels look a lot better when it's out of the package and like sitting down. Instead of like floating, they're down on the ground. Like when they're in the package they look lifted, but rolls and everything. Let's see, it's got the, I can't tell if that's, I think that's really dark blue interior. Chrome blue wheels with the Goodyear tires. Chrome blue grille. It's got these little yellow reflectors. The grille is nice and detailed with that Datsun symbol. The mirrors, I'm scared to touch them because I feel like they were gonna fall off, but I don't know. You could definitely take the bed off of this and just have the cab, and that would look cool. It's got the yellow Datsun on the back. It shows up better on camera than in real life, but still cool. I don't know if I would have chose yellow. I never noticed that the wheels were blue. The wheels are kind of like bluish purple. Might switch those out for black ones, we'll see. I don't know. It's got the stripe and the number 39 on the top. And then, the engine. If it'll lift up, there we go. The engine is red and silver. The underside of the hood is also painted, which is nice. A lot of cars don't have that. But yeah, it's definitely the most expensive M2 that I have. I saw this one on another person's YouTube channel. I think it's Rivera's Customs. I probably pronounced that way wrong, but he has cool videos. I like his videos a lot. Yeah, I saw he got this, and then I saw that little paint thing there. I saw this truck for trade, and I had to get it because it's really cool. Like, I'm not too big into M2s, but I definitely like them when I can get cool ones. But yeah, alright, let's open this other one here, the Ford Crestliner. Yeah, let me just unscrew it real quick. And here it is. It's got textured matte black roof. It definitely feels very textured. The rest of it is smooth. I don't know when this car is from. I think it's relatively old. It's got an opening hood with the engine. It's got really good details though. It's got opening doors. Detailed interior. It's got 2 different colors. It's even got shifter sticks on the steering wheel. It's really nice. 1951 Ford Crestliner. It's a cool car. Alright, I'm gonna put these up in my case and take a picture of it. Thanks for watching the video, and I think this truck is really cool. It's definitely my favorite M2 that I have. If you ever see one, I'd recommend getting it because it's just super cool. And there's only 300 of them made. But yeah, very nice car, and this is kind of cool too. I don't know, when is it from? Does it say? 2015. That's pretty old. Alright, bye.